Welcome to the Salon Services Chatbot preview. This intelligent chatbot is designed to transform how clients explore beauty services, making their grooming experience easier, personalized, and completely hassle-free. The journey begins with a warm welcome message followed by a clean and intuitive main menu showcasing 5 options: book appointment, view services, shop products, talk to stylist, and contact us. These are standard industry features, but each menu option can be fully customized to suit any salon's unique business needs. When a user selects View Services, the bot presents a complete list of salon offerings. After the user chooses a specific service, the chatbot automatically shares a short and smooth questionnaire to collect essential details such as the client's name, contact number, and preferred date and time. Once these details are submitted, the chatbot instantly generates a clear summary of the appointment request. After the user confirms, the bot sends a final confirmation message, making the entire booking process quick, simple, and effortless. This preview showcases how the Salon Services Chatbot enhances customer experience with convenience, personalization, and modern automation at every step. Now that we've explored the chatbot preview, let's look at how to install a template in ihakimi. From the dashboard, navigate to the template store. Here, you will find a wide range of multi-industry templates. Select the template you would like to install and you will be taken to the installation screen. On this page, you will see a short summary of the template and its basic content. Click Next Step to continue. In the next step, you can either choose an existing bot or create a new one. After selecting the bot, copy the template you want to install and click Create Bot. A new folder containing the installed template will automatically appear inside your selected or newly created bot. Now, let's step inside the Flow Builder. This is where our start node resides, the point from which every chatbot conversation begins. From here, we access the Welcome node and the main menu options, all of which can be customized based on your business needs. Each menu option opens its own individual flow. Within these flows, we can display all types of content such as images, videos, PDFs, and more through different nodes. This structure makes it easy to create rich, interactive, and fully customizable chatbot experiences. And that completes our walkthrough of the Salon Chatbot template installation process and Flow Builder overview.